The Eastwood MIG 175 was engineered for durability and performance, making it perfect for professionals or weekend enthusiasts who want industrial quality features in a hard-working, affordable MIG welder. And we give you a 3-year warranty, so you know we have confidence in our welders. You can even try it for 60 days and decide for yourself. If you're doing metal fab or restoring a car, this is the one welder you need. It can weld steel and stainless from 24 gauge to 5/16. That should cover just about everything you're doing on a car, from sheet metal patch panels to brackets on the frame. It will even weld aluminum from 14 gauge to 1/4 inch with the included spool gun. This unit can also be used for Flux-Core welding, which is nice if you don't want to deal with gas tanks, a tank runs out, or if you're using it where you don't have access to a tank. A setup chart sits conveniently inside the wire compartment for accessibility. It comes with a gas regulator and hose, 8-foot gun and ground cables, and a spool adapter so you can use either 4-inch or 8-inch wire spools. It has infinitely adjustable wire speed and heat settings that allow you to perfectly tune the machine to the material you're welding. The unit also features a Tweeko-style torch and consumables, so when you need to replace tips or nozzles, you can find them not only at Eastwood, but also at most locations that sell welding supplies. This machine uses 240-volt input with 30 to 175 amp welding range, lending to a wide range of uses, from light sheet metal to heavier plate. And with a duty cycle of 30% at 130 amps, it will keep you welding until the job is finished. Save money by replacing those rusted floor pans, installing that patch panel, or even fixing things around the home. In no time, this machine will pay for itself. Now, we all know MIG welding is easy, efficient, and convenient, which is what makes it so popular. And there are tons of videos on the internet that will teach you how to weld. Just check out our Eastwood YouTube channel. The basics are: turn on the gas, which should be set at about 20 CFH when flowing. Turn on the welder. Check the chart for the proper settings for the material you're welding, and adjust the heat and wire speed to match the chart. Hold the torch at a slight angle and make little cursive E's where you loop back into the puddle as you push the torch. If you're doing sheet metal, remember to jump around to prevent warping. This MIG 175 gives you professional welding at Eastwood's DIY price, allowing you to do the job right. And as always, this unit is protected by Eastwood's 3-year warranty. And don't forget, Eastwood has a full line of MIG and TIG welders, as well as plasma cutters, and just about every tool and supply you'll need when you're doing metal fab or restoring a car. So click the link to visit eastwood.com for more info or to get your welder today.